guys, welcome to the new channel. It's called Randy Girls Roblox Tutorials, and I will show you some of the basics for this tutorial for beginners. Okay, so you get on a world, you choose it. I chose flat terrain. This button is customized quick access toolbar. Get to that a bit later. This is called the play button. You click that, you test your game. You see, it's loading. And then you can walk around, have some fun. And this is the back arrow. It would be great. This is the forward arrow, and then redo. This is the back arrow. I just deleted something in here. You'll know how to get into here and here later on. So if I hit the back arrow, you see that comes back. I deleted it, I can hit it again. Now, this is how you publish a game. New means that you create a new place. Open from file. This stuff doesn't matter right now. That doesn't either. That is not. But these do matter. We'll get onto that later. Advanced, later, all this later. That's how you publish a game. You click it, create new game, put your name, place so it's like, you do not have to have this name. And then after you're done typing your name, description, whatever, you create, and you see that the name changes. Now, if you click on home, you have a lot of stuff. The select will already be selected. It means that you can select any part. If you right click, I don't know what this is, but I don't know. All of this is way forward into the tutorials. This, if you click on that, you can insert stuff. I will not be teaching you scripting yet, sorry. But if you right click, it says insert part. You insert the part, you right click on it, and you have all this stuff to do. And you select it. You see, it becomes blue. That's because you have select tool on. You select it and move it. You can drag in whatever way you want, like that. Scale, you probably know what this means if you have been another developer for anything, or if you just know the basics of it, you can scale it. See, and I'm going to undo everything. So we get our own part. Rotate. This is how you rotate. I will teach you how to do that stuff later. Look. Rotate it like that, and then it rotates. You see? But yours is not going to be this smooth like mine is, because I have it set a certain way. None of this matters right now. Everything. You can edit terrain. You see? This in here, I'll teach you how to get this open. But you see this on my video? That's what it is. And that allows you to do stuff like this. And you can build terrain too. See, maybe you want a nice little hole. Maybe a meteor crashed. Something like that. And then I would just grow. You just grow it. Nothing really special. aeroid, just makes it go down. Smooth, smooths it out. Perfect for making games. The strength needs to be down yet. That's what I was worried about. It does that sometimes. Flatten though, on the other hand, flattens to where the level is. So maybe the ground's still back growing, or you just want it to become like a nice little place. You see how nice it is? And then you just kind of can do that, or you can do this. There's a lot of stuff to do with the terrain area. Paint, on the other hand, these don't matter. The shapes do not matter at all. None of these matter except ignore water, which if you add, you see water, subtract, see how it has ignore water on? Look. It doesn't delete the water. If I turn that off, it deletes the water. So add a bunch of water, whatever you want. These two do not really matter. I mean, I haven't tried this one out yet. What does this one do? Oh, sea level. What? I don't know what I'm doing. But paint, on the other hand, ignore water off. It paints it. So like, if you accidentally did some terrain that you didn't want, you can literally just paint it. It naturally paints it. Like you paint all the terrain, whatever you want. And now you go back here, turn off editor. But if you don't have the toolbox open, then that's how you get to the toolbox. That doesn't matter. Game settings. You do not want to be messing with this yet until you learn what it means. This, avatar. Okay, this is like episode 400. I don't know. Oh. It's actually pretty simple. Override player choice, yeah. Collision. Doesn't matter, but animation. If it's standard, it's R6. If the avatar type is R6, then your avatar is going to be R6. If it's R15, it's going to be R15. If it's player choice, then they can choose if it's either R6 or R15. Security, though, HTTP requests allow game server to issue requests to remote servers, enable studio access to API services. Yeah, see? Data stores. Add some scripting. Allow third-party sales by enabling players can purchase items provided by third parties. Allow third-party teleports. The games are over. Be owned by the same. Yeah. I have. Translate. Yeah, this is translate. You see? You can translate. Do that later. Monetization doesn't really matter right now. This, if you set it to public and hit save, then everyone can play. Or any friends can play if you hit friends save. But sometimes it glitches and everyone can join or no one can join. But now you got all this. This is how you get both things. So look, you go to View, Explorer, opens up that. Properties. It should open up Pages. If it does not, like maybe your properties is somewhere over here or something. You drag it on top of this, and you do like that, and you have My Setup. Pages. And I like to do that with like the editors sometimes. See? but it barely works. Okay, I don't have enough time to really explain anything else, so bye!